Hello everyone, I am Soumijit Das. I did my masters from NIT Rourkela. I have 4 years of work experience in analytics domain with Indian Navy. Currently, I am working as a business analyst at Bridge I2I. So my learning experience at Alma Better was entirely different from my previous learning experiences. They made learning fun with the use of visual effects and gamification while teaching, and the curriculum is structured in such a way so that there is a smooth transition between each module. The daily doubt solving sessions, daily assignments, capstone projects, mentorship sessions, and the placement drive all are designed in such a way so that to make you industry ready. And I personally feel that this is sort of a robust curriculum that every student needs. The AMA sessions that were held weekly with the industry experts that helped me to understand how the models are being implemented to provide practical solutions. We got to hear about their experiences and their journeys, which was very inspiring. I also got to know about so many prospects that data science holds. So capstone projects gave me an opportunity to work with the projects which were similar to real life projects with larger data sets. It just not helped me to improve my technical skills, but I got to know my batchmates better. I got to know about their insight, how they think and approach the problem. And also the team collaboration helped me to learn how to work in teams efficiently. So the risk-free educational approach of Alma Better is what it differentiates from other institutes. Since students only pay after they are placed with 6 LPA or more, so the main focus of Alma Better is to educate and prepare students so that they can get jobs. So I personally feel that this is a great initiative as it eliminates concept of student debt so that students can solely focus on learning, not how will they repay their college loans. This actually played a big role for me getting the job. I have given around 30 mock interviews and it just not improved the technical stuff but it boosted my confidence. I learned how to articulate my answers in a better way. All the mentors are from reputed universities with almost 5 years of work experience in the data science industry, and the feedbacks were very helpful. They have also shared their interview experiences. So these mock interviews massively helped me to prepare for the actual interviews. So as I did not have any formal education in the field of data science, so I thought it would be better to do a course and subsequently search for the best courses on Google. But I ended up choosing an institute which charged me quite a lot of money for their course, but the curriculum was not up to the mark. Even after completion of the course, I could feel that my learning was incomplete. Luckily, I got to know about Alma Better and I was a bit hesitant about pursuing the course at start. I thought, what if it turns out to be similar to my prior experience with online learning? But their job guarantee and the pay after placement model made me feel that I made the right decision while choosing the Alma Better. So my advice will be just learn efficiently. Jobs part will be taken care by the Alma team, but you need to be ready to grab the opportunity whenever it is presented to you. Trust them, enjoy the ride, and best wishes.